emotion, well it's high. I don't need a this kind of love, I just need your heart to